Jack-O-Lantern AI is the latest AI software just released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. This AI software has been generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It promises some game-changing features that could revolutionize how you use AI in your business. But is it worth your time? Stick around, because I'm going to break down exactly what you need to know about Jack-O-Lantern AI, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether it's right for you. First off, Jack-O-Lantern AI has a unique approach compared to other software on the market. Unlike other AIs that require long setup times and complex learning curves, this one is designed to get you started quickly with minimal input from you. It's intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're not an AI expert, you can start generating results almost instantly. What makes it stand out? It's primarily designed to optimize creative processes, whether you're in marketing, content creation, or design. It uses cutting-edge algorithms to understand patterns in your work and then suggests improvements, helping you refine your projects faster than ever. But it's not just about efficiency. Jack-O-Lantern AI excels at understanding your brand's tone and style. So, every recommendation it provides feels personalized and in line with your goals. Another game changer here is the software's ability to predict trends. The AI analyzes massive amounts of data in real time, giving you insights into what's likely to resonate with your target audience. This means you're not just reacting to trends, you're staying ahead of the curve, optimizing your strategies proactively. When it comes to scalability, Jack-O-Lantern AI shines. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a full-scale operation, it adapts to your needs. You can use it to streamline small tasks or integrate it into larger workflows. And with its automation features, you can save countless hours by letting the software take over repetitive, low-value tasks while you focus on higher-level decisions. One of the standout features, though, is its ability to integrate with other tools you already use. Jack-O-Lantern AI connects smoothly with major platforms like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and even Shopify. So you're not starting from scratch. You're enhancing the tools you already rely on. Now, while this software is definitely impressive, it's not perfect. Some users have reported that the interface can feel a bit cluttered, especially if you're used to simpler systems. But once you get the hang of it, the software offers so much flexibility that this small downside fades into the background. Another important thing to note is that, unlike other AI tools that can get bogged down by data overload, Jack-O-Lantern AI has a built-in feature that filters out irrelevant information. It makes sure that the insights it provides are tailored and actionable, so you're not wasting time sifting through data that doesn't matter to your goals. Here's the kicker. You can try Jack-O-Lantern AI completely free by using the first link in the description below. This gives you a no-risk opportunity to explore the software and see for yourself whether it lives up to the hype. To wrap up, Jack-O-Lantern AI is an impressive tool with the potential to streamline your work, predict trends, and improve your creative output, all with minimal input on your part. If you're someone who's serious about optimizing their workflow with AI, this is definitely worth checking out. And if you've tried out thousands of AI tools like I have, you'll know that this one stands out for its intuitive interface and valuable insights. Before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. These are tools I've personally tried and tested, and I think you'll find them just as useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.